KashKick only pays you for completing tracked activities, but you can still earn without offers by focusing on the built-in tasks that don't require sign-ups, subscriptions, or external promotions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to earn on KashKick without doing offers, and how to stick to the parts of the platform that still generate steady payouts. Start with how KashKick structures earnings. The platform connects users to advertisers, and most high-paying tasks come from offers like trials and sign-ups. But the system also includes smaller earning options that don't require you to commit to third-party services. These are slower, but they are safer and more predictable. The first option is paid surveys inside KashKick. Surveys are still technically offers, but they don't require purchases or subscriptions. You just complete questionnaires and get credited if you qualify. The key detail is that disqualification is normal, so the goal is consistency, not perfection. The more profiles you complete, the more matching surveys you get over time. Next is watching videos and completing microtasks when available. These tasks usually involve simple engagement activities like viewing content or interacting with ads. They don't pay much individually, but they require almost no effort and don't involve external signups. Another method is daily check-ins and bonus activity tracking. KashKick occasionally rewards users for consistent platform activity. This includes logging in regularly and completing small in-app actions. It works because the platform prioritizes active users when distributing limited earning opportunities. You can also increase earnings by focusing on higher frequency surveys instead of waiting for high-value offers. Even though surveys are slower, they are the most stable non-offer earning method on the platform. Filling out your profile completely improves how often you get matched to these surveys. The important trade-off is time versus payout. Offers usually pay more because they require more commitment. Without offers, your earnings come from smaller, repeatable actions that build up slowly over time. That's why consistency matters more than chasing individual high-paying tasks. The system is designed so that every action still counts. But the highest earnings always come from engagement, not shortcuts. So removing offers just shifts your focus to lower value but more controlled activities. Quick recap. Surveys are your main non-offer income source. Microtasks add small extra points, and consistent activity improves how often you get matched to earning opportunities. Next step is simple. Open KashKick, complete your profile fully, and try a few surveys so the platform starts matching you more accurately over the next few days. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of earning apps without confusing steps.